This is the Parkway in Pigeon Forge. Unheard of. You could fire a cannon down the middle of it and not hit a thing. Man, I'll tell you, this flooding has turned this place into a ghost town. All right, that gives you an idea what's going on. Look at the ducks are even in by the shore. We're not being out there. We have no desire to end up in St. Louis, Missouri today, you know. Anyway, just to let you know, the shore, see where the trees are? That's the actual end of the shoreline. This is the mill, and the water is flowing under the mill, and it's built that way. It's built to put up with that, so it's okay. We'll take a look at the area coming over in just a couple minutes here. But man, some huge trees coming down the river. Wow. So that's one of the problems we have here in the Great Smoky Mountains, especially here in eastern Tennessee, is they don't have a deep root system. And you know, you get enough rain, enough erosion, and they tip over, and then you deal with it. But you know, a lot of roads closed because not so much of flooding, but because of debris. So, gives you an idea. Next stop will be at the mill. We'll take a look at it over the spillway. Okay, let's take a look at the mill. And this is underneath. Here's the end of the walkway. What can I say but wow. Wow. Let's take a look across the street. Okay, we're driving along that road on the opposite side of the mill and Patriot Park. Look at how close the top of the water is to the road. Now, I'll tell you, if that were to come over this road, a lot of the businesses on the Parkway would have some difficulties. It's the KOA campground across the road. But look at this. Whoa! Angry river for sure. All the things are doing.